solar panel is here now. These are the connections to the inverter, which is going to be external inverter, right? Yeah. Okay.
So as you can see here, we have the rails, which is the structure for the solar panels. And what you see here, it's your ground that grounds every rail. And then of course you have your microinverters. So it converts DC voltage from the solar panel to AC voltage. And up here, that's one array, and our second array, it's over here. So you can see, same thing. We have the structure for the solar panels. We have our junction box where our connections are made. And this is flashed underneath the shingles where no water can get in the attic. Ground, more structure, and these are your roof attachments here. It has 6 screws that go in it, and then you have this stuff here that comes underneath it, prevents it from any roof leaks as well. All right, here we go. 6 panels. This is one array. We have the junction box there. And this junction box is flashed underneath the asphalt shingles for roof leaks, to retain from roof leaks. And then in case we ever have to service the system, that junction box will be accessible pretty easy. Then over here we got our second array with 20 solar panels in total. And our second junction box is just right underneath that second panel. So you can see right there. In total, we have 20 solar panels. We should be good to go. So one of the main things is the AC disconnect you see here. This will turn off if you put it in the off position. It'll turn off the entire the solar panels, everything in the combiner panel. And this is just for you know, emergencies and by code that they make us install this AC disconnect.
So this is the AC disconnect.
Yes, sir.
I turn this down, it turns off the entire solar panel system that is
Yes, sir.
in here.
That's
Okay.
right.
So what's in
And
here?
then in here, the combiner panel. So basically in here, what you're gonna have is your production breakers, 1, 2. And these are gonna be the breakers that when I leave today, I'm gonna turn off.
Okay.
So right now you can see they're in the on position, on position. When I leave today, because you still don't have PTO, which means permission to operate.
Okay. Okay.
CenterPoint is going to give us permission to operate after I submit the installation pictures by today to Amir.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm going to turn these two off. And then once you get PTO, Amir's going to notify you, hey, you can turn your system on. All you have to do is open up this box and turn both of these breakers on, and you'll be set.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But right now they are on, but you're gonna turn them off.
That's right. I have
Okay.
to turn them off when I leave.
Okay.
And that's basically it, man.
Okay.
And then here in my app, I can show you right now what your system is doing. So right now at the time right now, you're producing up to 2.74 kilowatts. I mean, it's already late in the day, but you're still producing some. So you should be backfeeding to the grid. You can see these squares right here are reading backwards. Whenever I turn off the production breakers today, they're gonna start reading.
Why does it say error?
Because you know you still don't have PTO.
Okay.
Yeah, they still have to.
Oh, I see what
CenterPoint-
you're saying.
Yeah, CenterPoint
Okay.
still has to go ahead and program their meter.
Okay,
from
but it's
their
already backfeeding.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
And then the other thing you have here, we installed consumption CTs. These consumptions are gonna read what your home consumes. So for example, right now you're producing 2.81 kilowatts. Your home, you're exporting 2.29 out of that amount to the grid because your home is only using so much. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
And you're gonna be able to see all this through your application, better readings of it and stuff like that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
But yeah, that's pretty much it.